ये है जी Cornish chilies. Let's go inside. ये देखेंगे ये सारी लोकल चिलीज हैं और रेड चिली Are you labeling as well? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Proper professional, yeah.
It's just quicker.
Yes.
It's just quicker than stick on brown.
So how old is this shop? You know.
I've been here 2 years now.
2 years. Okay.
Yeah.
So you said you're making this one, yeah? This one, yeah?
We're making it.
So which one is the best one? You know, like.
Well, the hottest
What
one.
do you think? Hottest one,
The
yeah.
hottest one is that one there, which is 8.5 hot month.
Okay.
They basically work upwards in heat wise, and they're all the best ones.
Okay.
They're all different.
As long as they all are handmade, you know, I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. And how much is the hottest one? You know.
The hottest one there, that size is £8.55.
And the one you are making now, how much is this?
So that size is £4.95.
Okay. Let me see this. So, is there any chance I can taste it? You know, then.
You can. There's some crackers there.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yourself, like I said, scarcely the least hot, the hot sauces.
I'll check it and then I'll.
Hotter there.
This is look sweeter, you know.
That's a sweet chilli sauce. It's nothing like the sweet chilli sauce you buy in the supermarket. That one's actually quite nice.
Is it? All right.
That's a spicy barbecue, and then the proper chilli sauce is there.
Okay.
That one's great as a dipping sauce, but it's also really nice as a drizzle on a salad. As a salad
That's
dressing.
really different, you know. I never tasted like this, you know. The sweet one.
A lot of the heat in that comes from ginger.
This will go on YouTube, you know. You're gonna get famous anyway. You got anyone with the ginger flavored or something?
Sorry?
With the ginger?
That one's the ginger one. That one's got ginger.
That's fine.
What else has got ginger in it? I can't remember now. That one's got ginger in it as well.
Let me see. I'll take definitely this one. Yeah?
In that size or bigger?
No, this size.
That size, yeah?
Yeah. Let me see this. How hot it is. Too hot, man.
That's not too hot. It's lovely, that one.
It's hot. Is that ghost chili? Which
No,
one?
that's Scotch bonnet. That one's Scotch bonnet and that one's firefly.
Oh, this is too hot, man. Oh.
Never too hot.
It's too hot, believe me. He said it's not too hot, but very hot. But it's good one, you know. Let me show you. So I'll take this.
Okay.
Rather than that. Oh. One left, you know, I didn't try this. This is hot as well, but that is
There is a lot
Morning.
of chilli in that one. A lot of chilli in that one. Did you try that one?
I tried. No.
That one's a completely different sauce again, that one.
Which one is this?
Yeah.
Let's see. This is nice as well.
That one's lime pickle based, that one.
Lime pickle, yeah. But I love this. So I'm taking this one, yeah? That's okay. So how much is it? Cash or card?
Whatever, I don't mind.
I'll give you cash. Yeah.
$4.95. I'm doing it.
Just $4.90. Okay, there you go. Then.
There you go. Thanks very
Cheers,
much.
man. Thank you.
The ice cream shop's open next door should you need it.
That's good.
Right, should you want any more, it is available on the website.
Yeah.
Scan the
We are here a couple of more days, yeah. So probably we'll come back again.
I'll
You know,
stick a card in.
not far.
Scan the QR code, that'll get onto the website and you can order it online.
That's killing, man.
Cheers, buddy.
Thank you. Nice to see you, man.
Take care.
Cheers.
Have a
Thank you.
lovely day.
Thank you. Oof. The hard one was killing. This is nice. Okay. Yeah, tried all of them. You want to try? Okay then. So ये है जी Cornish chilies. Handmade, beautiful sauces. सभी chili based हैं. तो ठीक है जी, इन्हीं चिलीज़ के साथ यहाँ से खुदा हाफिज़. See you next time. Polperro village with hot chili. Bye bye. लो जी, कार बूट पैदल भी ट्रेंड है, कार बूटी. Bird house.
This is a try, but for birds.
Nice window shop. These birdie houses, yeah? Sweeney shop. White gold. And that's it. आगे चलते हैं.